Bureau of Indian Standards Guwahati Branch Office ringkat ke Jingetri Langbat ke Office jang ke District Commerce and Industry Centre Southwest Khas Hills District kalau Pynlong ya ke awareness program halor ke binta ki MSMEs bayadai bat ke BIS certification ha Community Hall Mawkyrwat Southwest Khas Hills District. Kani ke program ke dan haka ya ke jingtmu ben pensol thu ha pedeng ki nong snamar ki bompat dan license BIS ki karkhana red ki MSME bat ki nong sengkam sengjam ki bakwa ben sengkam sengjam halor ke jing dan kam jang ke jing pen bet renti ke jing pen sha ya ki mar ke ISI mark bat ki skim bi sharbnya ya ke jinglong kat kum ke BIS na ke benta ki mar bat ki jing shakri da ke ba penle jingmut ha ke jing bha ke jing shngai bat ki nong thiet nong pen Kibala dan lang hakani ke program ki kinthop ya uba MWAR General Manager ke DCIC Southwest Khas Hills District bat ke Dr. Rinku Das Founder and Director jang ke Northeast Livelihood Promotion Services Guwahati kabla long ru kum ke nong penya jang ke jingalang uba Melvinson Marngar ula shimbenta kum undang kelak tien ha ke program Ki resource person hakani ke program ki long u Abinash Bordoloi scientist but joint director ke Bureau of Indian Standard Guwahati u balakran halor ki mat ki bede but ke grant of license but management system kadba u Jishnu Das na ke Bureau of Indian Standard ru ula ai jingpen shai halor ki judging your license beper jong ke BIS na ke benta ki MSMEs but ru ki rukam apply yaki Hadian ke program lapen buat dak jingya keren jingya tai pat ba kabala ai lat ikin nong wan ya shimbenta ban bu jingkeli bat ban yo jing shai shu halor ki rukam jingyo ya ka Bureau of Indian Standard Certification bat ki jingmentoi ki badan hapo jangka Hakani ke program kelas sakhi ya ke jingya shimbenta shirham jing ki nong sengkam shnong ki nong mi khamat jang ki MSMEs bat ki wei ki benta bayade kabapen pau ya ke jingkiu ke jingdan kam ban buat ya ki quality standard but certification processes khanang ban kentiu ya ke jingshania hakimar bat ke jingele pat ba hayong
defines the actual carat of the gold. And third is the HUID number. This HUID number is relevant because when you put this HUID number in a BIS app, it will give you the actual information about the gold that you are buying. I will give you a live demonstration on how to use this app so that you can, I will give you an example of a HUID number so that you can put it in the app and check what the information comes out. So it is requested that whenever you go to like geyser, fan, mixer grinder, helmets, cement, all these are under mandatory certification of ISI mark. So that means that if you these products you cannot buy from the market without the ISI mark product and nobody can sell you these products without an ISI mark. If they are selling you these products without an ISI mark, then they are doing a punishable offence and it is required from you to register a complaint with us so that we can go through enforcement activities. Right? So the list for these quality control orders, the products the Government of India mandates is changing.
So the Commission so pedang survive ni aku tu way ni napo naga NELPS but way napo naga Bureau of Indian Standard. Jadi kini na NELPS kini ki consultant kini ki ba wanyalam di Bureau napa banyarap ban pensapriang ya ki kam badan kam ban harga no izumi. Dengan dokumen sebut ba nakalian BIS tu ki dakwan Makanya BIS ni kepada kamera, nama kini kalau buka standar makin dalih kalau kamera kena sen lagi marking BIS misi apa yang ni ISMA. Tapi narot apa yang baik. Hak itu bila narot dan baik katakan ISMA. Terkumjur long kini kita buat di kuapan penting jadi bagi dan kita standar di kenapa kita dan tayo kita standar certification kemudian diberi kipat ki consumer kila sania ya kamar mata bukti mo karena dia tahu tahu ya ka karena dia kadang di produk sebagai kunjuru kalau anda ya ka kerkom organisasi kuno punya ya organisasi juga tidak di standar software bila banyak kili sebenarnya long di kuat akan lupa kategori bagi kuat baginya baginyo ay kita certificate begini. I try the process, actually it's a lengthy process, so maybe you will explain better. Sibit sebagai mana kini na BIS ka jerong kuno balikot kuno but kuno ba kinyo ay kini ka certification but sisin ug tayo ini certification te kadon ka kusilong man ka pol pat bakin test bakin inspect ba pidang biang niyan untuk quality jupi kumo yang ren niyan ba ka biskyo ba bibilan ba sisa hangi pemilihan ni ka specialist jantiels ibun ha cement plant te kitu cement plant man ka bergunai man ka lai kunai hapan ha iki ya kitu ki sampel suki bagi test te de ki pass ya bagi test untuk certification kana continue kilapan ai kilapan print harto ka paket suki begini ni quality kini ka mar suki lade ka bala de pass naka standard begini
and all the participants here. So today the main objective of this program is to create awareness amongst all the stakeholders, how to obtain BIS certifications, what are the benefits of BIS certification. Okay, you people come from various sectors, so what are the schemes available that BIS provides certification. So all these things we will be discussing, not in detail, but we'll give an overview to you, so that if you come forward to obtain BIS certification in the future, that will help you. And also we will touch upon hallmarking and other. We have an app called BIS Care app also, and just to aware you, that's for consumer empowerment, consumer awareness. So all these things we will demonstrate or will present to you briefly today. So during the course of the program, if you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask us. And so with this word, I again once again thank BITT and Rinku Das for arranging this program. I hope this program will be a successful one, and you will take back with you some information which will help you when you apply for the BIS certification. Thank you.